Hello everyone, welcome to the Code Cloud. My name is Ravi. Today we'll talk about how to install Terraform on Windows operating system. Terraform is a infrastructure as a code tool that helps you provision platform resources on cloud and on premise. Platform resources contains virtual machines, networks and firewall etc. So let's see how we can install Terraform on Windows. Let's go to Google and in the search box type Terraform install. Terraform is developed by HashiCorp, so there is a website called developer.hashicorp.com/terraform/install. As of today 1.7.3 is the latest version of Terraform, and this website shows multiple versions and multiple operating systems where we can download and install Terraform. So let's go to the Windows. There are two executable available. One is for 32-bit and another one is for 64-bit. Let's click on 64-bit, click on download, and in local system under downloads we have our executable downloaded. This is a zip file, so let's extract it first. Click on extract and this is extracted here. So this is in download section, but it is recommended to place it somewhere, and recommended place is C drive in your Windows operating system. Let's copy it and go to C drive and paste it. So our Terraform is downloaded. As you know, Terraform is a command line tool. In order to access it from PowerShell or command prompt in Windows, we have to put the path of this executable in environment variables. So let's go to the address bar and copy the path where this executable available and go to environment variables. I'm going to add it in user variable, but this can be added in system variables. So double click on path and we have to make a new entry. Click on new, paste the copied path, click OK and OK. Now let's go to the command prompt. This is the command prompt, terraform --version. So this is not visible because this command prompt was opened earlier. So let me close this and go to search box and just write cmd, click on command prompt and type terraform space --version. So this is the latest version we just downloaded and kept in C drive. So now you can start your Terraform journey. Thank you.